Hi, welcome to Fabulously Frugal and Fancy. I'm Brandy, your fabulously frugal DIYer today. Today I am sharing with you some fun Christmas hacks that I used previously last year. So these are some tips and tricks that I learned while decorating a lot of things from Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoy watching and learning. And please share any other hacks that you have in the comments below. I love to learn and I love to try new things, so please share your ideas with me as well.
Alright, so here I just took some poster board and made different cone shapes covered with tinsel. Covered one with tinsel. I did all in silver, covered one with just a silvery ribbon, and covered the other in the like a silver rope. They all turned out really nice. Here I just took I took 4 of the green Christmas trees, and 2 wine bottles that I liked the shape of. I painted one wine bottle gold, one silver, and I used some of the silver and gold glitter just to go around the bottom edge. And I painted the trees. I put 2 in each wine bottle. I just shoved them in there and decorated them. Now the silver tree goes in the gold bottle, the gold trees go in the silver bottle, and I just decorated those up with some easy little picks and so forth from Dollar Tree, and it cost me less than $5, and I made these for the coffee table, and there's both of them together, probably about maybe $6 total with the stars on the top. And I just mixed the gold and silver together for those. Here I had these 2 trays. They came from actually Family Dollar, and I thought they were beautiful, and I thought that I could make something else with them. So I added some greenery, some picks to one, and this cardinal ornament from Dollar Tree, and I gave that as a gift to my mom, and it turned out really well. I was really happy. Everything stuck really well to that metal pan. The other one I used this little owl ornament from Dollar Tree, and I gave that one to my sister. And I really loved how these turned out. They were just so cute. Now this little one I made from shower curtain rings and little ornaments. I just kind of glued them all together to form a tree, hung some little diamonds in some of them, and some of the silver ornaments and some of the other rings. Turned out really cute. It was a little difficult to put together and get it all to hold. Here I just used some cardboard, some gold wrapping paper, those metal words from Dollar Tree, joy and believe is the second word, and then just a Dollar Tree pick up at the top. Cute little door hanger. Very simple, very easy to do, and it turned out very cute. Now that nutcracker did not match my decor, so I just painted it. If you look closely, you can see some of the red plaid that it originally was. I painted it gold. Here are some of the Dollar Tree ornaments. You can just use those sitting around. They don't have to go on a tree, and they make beautiful decor anywhere, and only for $1. You buy these anywhere else and you're going to pay a lot more for them. Now this is an actual pack of ornaments. I didn't even take them out of the package. It took the top off and just took a bunch of the poinsettias from Dollar Tree and put them in the top, left them in their actual packaging, and just turned it around. This is a lantern that we have at the house, and I just added a pick, a red candle. You can make any lantern into a Christmas lantern by just adding a little decor to the top and a red candle inside. Now this is a charger and a candle holder we previously had. I just used the charger, put the candle holder on top, and used some of the vase filler to fill in the bottom, and it turned out really cute. Very simple, very cheap, and with the items you already have at home. Now this is 2 of the Christmas trees, and I made it into a swag, added some ribbon, and that angel is a tree topper. This one I put a nutcracker in the middle. Again, used 2 of the Christmas trees to make a swag, and added some ornaments and some ribbon, and tied that nutcracker, wired him to the middle, and it became a beautiful door wreath for our side door. And then I took a couple other nutcrackers and some of those large ornaments and made little topiaries and put it beside it. Turned out really cute. Don't mind all the leaves. but I love how these turned out. And you can take any material and a little bit of fur and make your own stockings very simply. You can glue them. I did sew these. These were a gift for my sister because she loves the deers and the country look, and so I made her 3 of them. Now here on this Christmas tree, I did not have enough of that ribbon to go all over. I just ended up cutting it in strips and making loops and kind of sticking them out and in where I thought that they looked like they were draped from the top to the bottom. But it's an easy way you can use a smaller amount of ribbon to make a beautiful tree. And if you have a lot of ribbon, you can fill in a smaller tree like I did with this one and make it just look beautiful. This is a lot of Dollar Tree ornaments and a lot of ribbon to make this smaller, less full tree look more full. And as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous with the lights on at night with the little Dollar Tree ornaments hanging all around. And it just looks really pretty when the lights are on. You can make a small tree into something beautiful as well.
I hope you enjoyed these hacks as much as I did. I would love for you to join my frugal family here. If you liked this video and you would like other frugal tips, tricks, hacks, and DIYs. Also, I do some fashion as well, show you how to save on clothes, how to dress very trendy on a budget. And of course, I'm plus size, so I tend to deal with plus size clothes, but the tips and tricks work for all sizes, all ages, all styles. So if you are interested in anything frugal, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment below. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. I hope you have a great day. Be blessed. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed this shorter video. Just a quick, quick tips and hacks. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.